selling the truck. Christina is going to love it. We just bought a new daily driver. I can finally say this for the first time in a very long time. Wheel lights are back on the truck. It's f***ing cold. Look at this. Oh, it's freezing cold, but I can't help but be excited. We are finally dropping off both trucks. I'm not gonna tell you guys yet. We'll come back when it's done. Wait, it's freezing cold, look.
Can we talk about who wrote "wash me" on the back of my...
Somebody wrote "wash me" on the back of her.
How long has that been there? No.
All right, we gotta go to work. Guys, we'll come back in a little bit. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So obviously you guys can tell. Hey. Obviously you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm not selling the truck. I had really thought about it a couple days ago, but I'd really done some thinking and a deal had actually came through that I was hoping on, and I'm not selling the truck. I want to tell you guys this straight up. And part of the reason is because we just bought a new daily driver. We bought a new parts truck, daily driver, project truck, all of the above. Like this is it. Like this is what I was looking for, like exactly what I was looking for. And I'm beside myself. I don't have the title yet, but by the time you see this video, I'll have the title, I'll have the keys, and it will be mine. And I can't even, like, oh my goodness, it's all like fitting together perfectly. Now I don't have to park the truck at my house all the time. The HOA is not gonna be on my ass anymore. You know, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be absolutely, what, all cheeked up? They're not gonna be all cheeked up on me anymore?
No,
Getting rid of the HOA? HOA is gonna be
my
happy.
guy.
Now when we lift the Tahoe, now when we lift the truck again, when we redo the lift kit, we have something else to drive. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Like I'm super blessed. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Thank you guys so much for just showing love and just believing in the dreams. Now I know you guys want to look at this truck, so we're gonna get into it, but just have an open mind while we're going over this truck, okay? Please have an open mind. So I've showed this truck a couple weeks ago on the channel, or maybe, yeah, probably a couple weeks ago. 99 single cab long bed with a V6. But I'm not gonna tell you guys my plans with this truck, and you guys are probably gonna flame me in the comments, but I wanna let you know I have big plans for this. Like, I've got plans for everything. It's a V6 single cab, obviously an old Saturn parts truck, and I'm actually, are you locking me out of my own truck right now? You're locking me out of my own truck right now. Open the door. Does the door open all the way? Yeah, I think so. Okay. That's not good.
Oh fuck.
Like literally.
Cut it. No.
No, look, the door opens like all the way. It doesn't stop.
I mean,
so
when you got the fat bitches in the truck, shit, they can get it out for sure now.
Single cab, long bed. I mean, it's got some steelies on it, which is fine. You know, it's definitely gonna need a little bit of body work. The bed doesn't look too bad. I mean, there's got some rust on it. This side back here is a little messed up. But to be completely honest with you guys, and that tire's flat. To be completely honest with you guys, I don't plan on keeping the long bed. I definitely plan on shortening the bed at some point. So, I mean, the long bed's not too much of an issue to me. And everything cosmetic can be replaced. The bed can be replaced, bumpers can be replaced, lights can be replaced, fenders can be replaced. The good thing about these trucks is they are all bolt-on. Hell, even the fenders on these trucks are bolt-on. If you take up this piece right here, if you pull up the trim pieces right here, don't actually pull it up, god dang it, it's all bolt-on. I mean, you can unbolt this and bolt a new one. It might not be the same color, but it's not hard. White's probably the easiest color to find. So I'm super excited. I mean, it just, I know it's a V6, yeah, but I've got plans for a new engine to go into it. So stay patient, guys. The build, you know, we're gonna get started.
2JZ swap it?
2JZ swap it?
Are you gonna 2JZ swap it?
Look at that though.
Is this a Supra?
That's crazy though. We, like, literally, without exaggerating, we have another build on the channel right now that James standing right in front of. You just like to linger in front of the camera, don't you?
I'm gonna pull my weenie
out. Oh
out.
my god. We got a new build on the channel, guys. Make sure you show some love in the comments. Drop some bread emojis below. new freaking build on the channel. What the hell do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I've got plans for a cam. This one's getting lowered. I'm gonna tell you guys right now. I'm not lifting this. This is getting lowered. It's gonna be fast. It's gonna have a positive rear end and what is it? Posi rear end?
Traction.
Posi traction. It's gonna have all that. And we're gonna have some fun with this truck. This truck is gonna be a lot of freaking fun, and I hope you guys are as excited as I am.
Bro, come film this.
Y'all wanna see what kind of rims I'm gonna put on this thing?
Oh yeah.
Look.
Are these the 4Gs?
The 24s.
These are 4Gs, bro.
Oh, I don't know if I can use that one.
Oh, we can fix that.
That one's a little messed up.
oh, take the seats, bro. You put these seats in that shit.
Oh, I could put the seats in there.
Console.
You think the Wendy's cup will fit in the cup holder too?
Oh, bro, don't even play like that, bro. You already know.
I bet it'll fit. Look, it even comes with a portable charger.
Dude, and it says Capital.
Capital. I'm just kidding. I'm not taking anything from this Yukon. This Yukon's completely beat up, but look at that. We got the old build and the new build. Hell yeah. It's been an all day thing, and I think Christina is going to absolutely love it. Finally, on the Tahoe, the wheel lights. Holy shit. It's 32 degrees outside, and we finally got the wheel lights done. So for those of you that can't tell, first of all, huge shout out to my guy Brian. I'm gonna put all of his information in the video. He's got his own LLC, he's got his own company. He's looking at getting a shop to do all of his work out of, but currently this is where we're at. Brian knocked out the Tahoe wheel lights today, and we're actually gonna fix the front wheel lights on the truck. I can't even say thank you enough to Brian for getting this done before the show on Saturday. It's freezing cold out here. It's definitely not fun at the moment, but we're getting it done. Brian is gracious enough to do this and knock this out for us today. Make sure you guys go follow him on Instagram. Go show him some love. He does all kinds of work. He does all kinds of amazing stuff. So make sure you guys go check him out. But Tahoe's finished up. You guys saw that. We're gonna finish up the Silverado on the front and get these damn wheel lights fixed. A little bit after 12, boys, but I can finally say this for the first time in a very long time, that the wheel lights are back on the truck. All four are back on, not just the backs, not just the fronts, but all four. Just, oh, it's been a long night, but we're not done yet. We got a lot more work to do. But I do want to give a huge shout out. Like I said, I'm gonna put it in the on the screen here below. Make sure you go check my man out on Instagram. Shoot him a message if you need anything. They do so much. Hit him up, tell him I sent you. He'll cut you a deal. He'll do some great work. Like literally, I'm such a imperfectionist, and there were certain things that he was just like, no, if I'm doing it, it's got to be a certain way. But I'm gonna stop talking. I will see you guys. We got so much more to do tonight, so we're just gonna keep it going. Maybe we'll do an all-nighter. I don't know. I better see you guys at that show this weekend for Merc. I better see you guys over there. I think they're coming too, so if you guys have any questions, my guy. Oh man, what a beautiful, beautiful sight. All we gotta do is torque the lug nuts, and we are good to go. Man, that's a beautiful sight right there. Huge shout out to the boys again for coming through, taking care of me and Christina today. It's been a long freaking day. I hope you guys enjoy the new content. So much new stuff coming with the new build on the channel. No, this is not a drill. This is real. We got a single cab on the channel again. Or not again, but for the first time ever, and I'm super fucking excited. I will see you guys tomorrow. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.